Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Marianica Abringhi from Philippines. I am 33 years old. I am a single mother. I have two kids, 8 years old boy and 6 years old girl. My height is 154 centimeter. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. My work experience as a domestic helper was in Saudi Arabia and Kuwait for 5 months. I took care of household chores such as cleaning, washing clothes, taking care of baby, taking care of kids, ironing, washing car, taking care of pets, marketing, and gardening. I can cook food, but I cannot cook Chinese food like steamed fish. However, if I don't know how to cook the dish you want me to cook, I am willing to learn and give my heart in learning to cook on it. I can sing children's songs like The Whales on the Bus, Little Ducks, and Bingo. I can also read storybooks like Cinderella, Snow White, and Pinocchio. I want to work in Hong Kong to give my family a better life and future. I hope you will find me suitable to work with your family. And I promise to give my best. Thank you, ma'am and sir.